everyone, welcome back to Angela.S. For today's video, I would like to show you guys the amazing view of Lake Berryessa. Actually, today is Brian's birthday. Yeah, we are going to celebrate his birthday over here. So mainly, yeah, we bring our boat here, yeah, to put down in this Lake Berryessa. Yeah, we just got here, so alright guys, I'm going to show you guys the amazing view of this Lake Berryessa. Make sure you guys stay around and check it out how beautiful of Lake Berryessa. Alright guys, see you in a little bit.
Here we are at Lake Berryessa on my birthday. We just got here with the boat. Borrowed my stepdad's truck to tow the boat. Nissan D8 Titan did pretty well. As I see some of the larger trucks out here, I feel like this truck may have been a little small for the huge boat that we're towing behind it, but it did all right. So I've never towed the boat up to Lake Berryessa. It's not a ski boat, it's a cabin cruiser, so it's pretty large, 5,000 pounds, 5,500 to be exact. And so here we are at the launch by Berryessa Highlands, and I expected it to be kind of busy and to have to coordinate timing and launch the boat quickly, but fortunately for us, there is nobody here right now. So it's a Friday afternoon, crazy hot, which it'll be good to get out on the water, but fortunately, since there's nobody here, it'll be an easy first time launch on the water. So we're gonna loop around, pull down there, back the boat up. One thing's a little concerning, pulling it out of the delta. The truck had a hard time pulling it out of the water because it weighs so much, and the truck is rear wheel drive and not four wheel drive, so it needs some weight in the back of the truck to get traction. So hopefully this will not be too steep to get it out of the water once we're done, but we'll see how it goes, and we'll document the process, including all the misery, pain, and suffering if it doesn't work out, so you get to experience that with us. All right, take a look at Lake Berryessa before we do this.
Hi guys, here we just got our boat down. Okay, right now we are going to get ready, to check out all the way, along the lake. Alright, let's just come check out the lake with me. Come and check the view. Look at this, it's so beautiful. รบเส้นชับชันนะโอเคโอเคจังกรานตุ่มโอเคจำเป็นเตี้ยHappy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you, baby. Best birthday ever. Out on the lake.
Yes. นี่มาហូបសម្រាប់ជប់លៀង birthday គាត់មានប៉ុណ្ណឹងឯងសាច់គោអាំងក្រួយអាំងស្វាយទុំជាមួយនឹងមានស្វាយទុំនៅក្រោមអីគេនេះស្អីគេស្វាយញោមស្វាយចាទឹកត្រីស្វាយជាមួយពេញប៉ោះហើយនឹងបាយអូខេប៉ុណ្ណឹងឯងជាមួយនឹងទេសភាពដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាតនៅបឹង Berryessa អូខេមកបងប្អូនខ្ញុំមកទាំងអស់គ្នា Thank you guys for watching. For more traveling video, make sure to like, subscribe, press on the bell button, and I will see you. Bye bye.